Hello viewers and welcome to my channel. Today we will be discussing about displaying data from multiple tables, which is a concept of RDBMS, that is Relational Database Management System. And also we will study about various joins. But in this tutorial we will cover only Equi-Join, and after that in next vlogs we will cover more about different types of joins and how are they used in a SQL query and what are their consequences. So without much delay, let's get started. In this tutorial, we will be understanding about displaying data from multiple tables. In RDBMS, that is Relational Database Management System, we create links or relationships between two or more tables, and we can display the data from multiple tables in a single space. The first process of displaying the data from multiple tables is about generating a Cartesian product. Now the first question which comes in our mind is, what is a Cartesian product? Cartesian product means when there will be a query which is involving more than one table and we do not perform any kind of joins between those tables, which means we are not generating relationships in between those tables. So then what happens? All the records of one table is being multiplied with all the records of the other table. So let me show you an example. Select last name, department name from employees departments. So here we have two tables, employees and departments. But prior to explaining this query, let me show you that how many records are there in the employees table and how many records are there in the departments table. Select star from employees. So employees table has a total of 107 records. Select star from departments, and the departments table has a total of 27 records. Now let me check how many records are being retrieved from this query. It retrieves a total of 2,889 records. So this is a bit surprising, right? Because we are involving two tables, employees and departments, and in the employees table we have 107 records, in departments table we have 27 records. Now why such a huge number of record is being displayed from this query or is being retrieved from this query? What happens is that this concept is known as the Cartesian product, which means all the records of the employees table are being multiplied with all the records of the departments table. That is 107 records of the employees table is being multiplied with the 27 records of the departments table. So if we write select 107 multiplied by 27 from dual, we get a total of 2,889 records, which is the one which is retrieved from this query. Okay, so a Cartesian product means when we are not performing any kind of joins or we are not creating any kind of relationship between two tables. Not exactly, I cannot tell we are not creating relationship. We are not performing any kind of joins in a SQL query involving more than one table. In that case, all the records of the first table gets multiplied with all the records of the second table, generating a Cartesian product. Now we will be studying about the different types of joins which we can perform in displaying data from more than one tables. The types of joins are Equi-Join, non-Equi-Join, outer join and self-join. So now we will be studying about the Equi-Join. So let me show you an example of Equi-Join. select employees dot employee ID, employees dot last name, employees dot department ID, departments dot department ID, departments dot location ID, from employees comma departments, where employees dot department ID is equal to departments dot department ID. Okay, I have written from spelling wrong. From. So let us execute the query. So in this query, what happens, there are two tables, employees and departments, and the common column between these two tables are the department ID, that is the department ID from the employees table and the department ID of the departments table. So Equi-Join signifies that when there will be more than one table in which we are performing a join, only those records which are matching the values of the employees table department ID column and departments table department ID column will be displayed. That means only the matched values will be displayed from both the tables. Here we are displaying the employee ID column from the employees table, the last name column from the employees table, the department ID column from the employees table, the department ID column from the departments table, and the location ID column from the departments table. As we have not used any kind of table alias, so we are prefixing the table name before the column name to make understand that this column belongs to the employees table. Last name column belongs to the employees table. Department ID column belongs to the employees table. Department ID column belongs to the departments table. And location ID column belongs to the departments table. If we do not mention the table name before the column names, then remember that department ID column is same in both the employees table and the departments table. So while execution of the query, the SQL engine will get confused which table's department ID column data to be displayed, because department ID column is same in both the employees table and the departments table. That is the reason why we prefix the table name before the column name to distinguish that which column belongs to which table. Say for instance, we are writing the same query, but we are not prefixing the table name. That means which column belongs to which table. See what will happen. If we execute this query now, here we are not prefixing and we are executing the query. The error which is being shown is column ambiguously defined. This error signifies that there is a column which is existing in both the table and the SQL engine is unable to understand which table's column to choose or to display. That is the reason why we prefix the table name before the column name. I hope that you have learned about Equi-Join and how they are used in a SQL query and what are their outputs. And I hope that you will practice it at home and implement it in your workplace. For more such videos, please stay tuned to my channel and please do like, share, subscribe and comment about how do you like the vlog. And also, if you have any kind of doubts, please do mention in the comment box. I will try to solve all your doubts. Thanks for watching. and happy learning.